Look, these are the things that we can't control. I understand the situations are difficult.
Indian fast bowler Jasprit Bumrah said that it is unfortunate that neutral umpires cannot travel for tests in the post-COVID era in the wake of the controversy surrounding third umpire questionable call to give the Australian captain Tim Paine not out.
Look, these are the things that we can't control. I understand the situations are difficult and all of these things are out of our hands. So I try not to focus on those things that we can't control. Yeah, it's unfortunate that the umpires are not able to travel, but it's something that I don't have any power of changing it. So we try to focus on the things that we can. That's the only thing our team is focusing on. That if a decision goes our way or it doesn't, we have to move forward and we focus on the next ball. So that is the mindset our team is following. So there was a constant discussion going on between the bowlers and the other guys with the captain. So, the wicket changed after the first session as well. It got better to bat on, the moisture went away. So adjusting according to that, adapting to the wicket and the lines that we wanted to bowl. So we were just trying to communicate what kind of lines do we wanted to bowl so we could set the field accordingly. So when there was less help, so we tried to change a little bit of the line and we kept the field accordingly. So that was the discussion that we had. Uh, we're looking at, not looking too far ahead, looking one session at a time. So we're just looking at the things that we have to do. We don't want to be conservative in our mindset. We are trying to be positive. We are trying to, control the controllables. So we're just trying to be in that space, not being reckless, but being confident and, playing with a lot of confidence. That is our motive to go forward now. We don't think about all of those things. Yes, we wanted to contribute. We knew that new guys are also coming into the squad, so we were just trying to help each other and try to create pressure from all ends. So Ash bowled brilliantly as well. Siraj bowled really well. So we are very happy with the effort that was put in. And yeah, that was our main goal today. That help each other and try to create pressure from both ends, so that we could create opportunities. And it was good. These opportunities came our way, and we were able to hold on to the opportunities. He made his debut. He's very eager to bowl in the first session. He was waiting for his chance. So yeah, he's worked really hard. He's come up through the ranks. So yeah, he was bowling well. He was in amidst a good spell. So yeah, when he came after the lunch, after the first session, so there was not a lot happening. So he bowled with a lot of control, and then suddenly he started getting a little bit of movement. So he tried to use the best of it, and playing his first test match, he bowled really well, and he showed confidence of using all his skills. So that's a very heartening sign for us, and hopefully it continues like that. Yeah, but that was because of the moisture. So what we as a team don't look at what's happened behind or what will happen in the future. We are trying to control the controllable. So whatever has the result been in the previous games, who was batted first or who was batted second have won the game. We are trying to focus on the things that we have at hand, trying to do the things that we can control. So our team's focus is on the first session tomorrow and what we can do to bat well and try to score runs. So all of these things we are focusing on. We're not looking too far ahead. We're not looking in what has happened before. We're just trying to be in the present and trying to focus on the things that we can have an influence on. So that is our team's goal now. मेरा तो सबसे फेवरेट फॉर्मेट है टेस्ट क्रिकेट. मैं जब से इंटरनेशनल क्रिकेट में आया तभी से मुझे टेस्ट क्रिकेट खेलना था. यहाँ पे परफॉर्मेंस करने के लिए आपको बहुत मेहनत करनी पड़ती है. पूरे दिन आपको पेशेंस चेक होता है, आपकी फिटनेस चेक होती है. तो इसका जो परफॉर्मेंस होता है इसका अलग रिवॉर्ड होता है, उसकी अलग खुशी होती है, बहुत सेटिस्फाइंग होती है, बहुत अच्छा लगता है. एंड जब भी आप फॉरेन में भी आते हो, आप अच्छा करते हो तो बहुत अच्छा फीलिंग होता है. तो टेस्ट क्रिकेट में जब अच्छा होता है या रिवॉर्ड मिलते हैं तो आपके सारे हार्डवर्क आपको अच्छा लगता है कि आप इस प्रोसेस से जा रहे हो तो आपको हार्डवर्क के रिजल्ट्स मिल रहे हैं. तो मेरा तो सबसे फेवरेट फॉर्मेट है एंड मैं बहुत ग्रेटफुल हूँ कि मुझे ये फॉर्मेट खेलने मिलता है इंडिया के लिए. So we had decided that everybody's going to help each other. So Siraj was making his debut, Umesh was there as well. So everybody was there. So everybody has got a lot of experience. We played a lot of cricket, so we just trying to help each other, do a bit of communication on the ground. So what is going on now? How the wicket is changing? What is the batsman looking to do? So all these things were there in our mind, and it's always good when you help each other. So you always feel that you've got your teammate backing you all the time. So yeah, that was the motivation for that, and we are trying to do that. So when we were bowling in the morning, there was some moisture on the wicket. So as you saw, Ashwin and as well as Jaddu got some spin. So because we wanted to make the most of the moisture, we were trying to use them. He was getting good bounce as well. So all of these things we were trying to keep an eye on that. That is why he came early in the attack.